Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. I am also well. My dear student, today I am here at present to take a class, especially for the student of class 5. So, my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joining with me now, all are welcome to Matiranga Online Primary School. Let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, assistant teacher of Bhagyo Karbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrachari. So, my dear student, today I would like to discuss with all of you about completing form. Okay, completing forms. So, my dear student, all are take your EFT book and your exercise book and write down today's topic is completing forms. Completing forms is our today's lesson, and your EFT book page number 44. Lesson 5 to 6. Okay. Sorry, lesson 7 to 8 and 5 to 6 also. My dear student, your EFT book page number 44 has a form and it's also completed. Okay, first we discuss about completing forms, and next we discuss a new form and we try to complete. Next we discuss blank forms. Okay, প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমরা প্রথমে 44 পৃষ্ঠা থেকে একটি ফর্মের নমুনা দেখব, and at last অবশেষে we all are try to fill up a blank form. Okay, শেষে আমরা একটি খালি ফর্ম পূরণ করার চেষ্টা করব. In this page 44 has a completing form, include also a picture. It's Laila Karim pictures. Okay, and here are its English language club, Noga. The title of this from English language club, Noga. Okay, name Laila Karim, date of birth 9 August 2006, nationality Bangladeshi, mother's name Jahanara Karim, father's name Ahmed Karim, home address 211 Hospital Road, Sadar, Noga, school Noga Primary School, class 5, hobbies running, swimming and talking to my friends, date 21 October 2020, and signature Laila Karim. Okay, so my dear student, now at first we read out a text, because in your examination first include a text and then given you a blank form, and you will fill up this form from the information of this text. Okay, তোমাদের পরীক্ষায় একটি অনুচ্ছেদ দেওয়া থাকবে প্যাসেজ আকারে, সেই অনুচ্ছেদটি তোমরা পড়বে, পড়ে সেখান থেকে তথ্য নিয়ে একটি ব্ল্যাঙ্ক ফর্ম থাকবে, সেটি তোমরা পূরণ করতে হবে। সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, নাও at very first we read out, we all are read out. First I read out and all are notice me, listen to me carefully and match your EFT book. Okay, listen to carefully it, because from this text every information is important for fill up the form. Okay, Rukia Khan is Laila's friend. She is also Bangladeshi. She also goes to Naga Primary School, but she is in class 4. Her birthday is 18 September 2007. Her father's name is Anwar Khan and her mother's name is Aisha Haidar. They live at Hospital Road in Naga. In her free time, Rukia enjoys drawing and reading. She sent her English language club application on 12th November 2015. So my dear student, now read the paragraph again. Complete the application form with Rukia's information. এই টেক্সটটা আবার তোমরা পড়বে, পড়ে এখানে রুকিয়ার যে তথ্যগুলো আছে সেটি দিয়ে তোমরা কি করবে, এই ফর্মটি পূরণ করবে। কার তথ্য দিয়ে পূরণ করবে? রুকিয়ার তথ্য দিয়ে ফর্মটি পূরণ করবে। ঠিক আছে? So let's we all are try to fill up Rukia's form. Okay, it's English Language Club Nauga. The title of this from English Language Club Nauga. English Language Club Nauga. Okay, English Language Club Nauga. First is name. Now we fill up Rukia's information. Okay, আমরা এখন রুকিয়া খানের তথ্যগুলো পূরণ করব। সুতরাং আমরা এখানে রুকিয়ার তথ্যগুলো পোস্টিং দেব। Okay, name is, we also know from this text, in this text her name is Rukia Khan. Rukia Khan. So name is Rukia Khan. Date of birth. Date of birth is 18 September 2007. 18 September 2007. Nationality. Bangladeshi. Nationality is Bangladeshi. Then mother's name. Mother's name Aisha Haidar. Aisha Haidar. Then father's name Anwar Khan. Anwar Khan. Home address Hospital Road, Naga. Hospital Road, Naga. School Naga Primary School. Class 4. Hobbies. Drawing and reading. Drawing and reading. And date 12 November 2015. 12 November 2015. Signature Aisha Khan. Signature, sorry, Rukia Khan. Rukia, because this from is Rukia's from. Rukia Khan. So my dear student, here are A from, it's Rukia's from. Okay. Now again I read out the completing from Rukia's information. English Language Club, Naga. Name Rukia Khan. Date of birth 18 September 2007. Nationality Bangladeshi. Mother's name Aisha Haidar, father's name Anwar Khan, home address Hospital Road, Nauga, school Nauga Primary School, class 4, hobbies drawing and reading, date 12 November 2015, and signature Rukia Khan, because this is Rukia's information and Rukia's from. So in this form we include every information is Rukia's information. Okay, so my dear student, now I would like to give you a homework. Okay, and all are write down it in your exercise book. আমি তোমাদেরকে একটি কাজ দিচ্ছি, তোমরা এই কাজটি তোমাদের বাড়িতে করবে। ওকে, আমরা এখানে দুটি ফর্ম দেখেছি। একটি ফর্ম হচ্ছে পেজ নাম্বার 44 about Laila Korin, and then number 2 from we also completed about Rukia Khan, page number 89. First is 88 page number, and my dear student, first you have to book page number 88 and then 89. Okay, so my dear student, you all are fill up this from your given your own information. Okay, তোমার নিজস্ব তথ্য দিয়ে পূরণ করবে। ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব একটি নাম দিয়ে ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব নাম দিবে, দিয়ে যার যার জেলার নাম দিতে পারো, your home district's name, and fill up this from with information is your name, date of your birth, your nationality, your mother's name, your father's name, your home address, your school name, your class name, your hobbies, and date when you fill up this from, and then next signature. Okay, it is your homework. It's your homework. Okay, so my dear student, you all are know that we all are passing our dangerous time now, so you all are try to stay in home, at home with your parents safely, and all time follow the health rules cordially. Okay, so my dear student, no more today. Thank you all.